Yeah, I'll show you where to get coupon codes for Harbor Freight. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up any web browser, head to Google, and then inside the Google search box here, type in coupon codes for Harbor Freight. And then you'll be brought to the search results inside Google. And now you'll see some third-party sites like couponfollow.com, 40% off Harbor Freight. And then we got Real Tell Me Not, 44%. Keep on scrolling down. Groupon, We Thrift It, Simply Code. So you can check out any one of these sites to get coupon codes. But the one I like to use is the Coupon Follow. So now I'm inside couponfollow.com. And as you can see, I've got take $6 off your order, take 40% off your order. You can even see it's verified working 15 hours ago, etc. You can see more detail. So if you scroll down the list, you can see all these different codes. Just be mindful, these do expire. So yeah, take note of that. Make sure the code hasn't expired. And these codes do change daily as well, so or daily or weekly. So come back every so often to have a look at all the different new codes. So if I want to take 40% off your order, my order, I'm going to click onto that code here. I'm going to click on this copy code and now paste this code at the checkout section of Harbor Freight to enjoy my 40% off my order.